Hi there, welcome back to Real Pilates. I'm Alicia Ungaro and I'm here with Emily, and we're going to pick up where we left off on this introductory program to get you into your powerhouse, what we like to call the abdominals in Pilates, and build a program you can do at home. So moving on to our first exercise on the mat, we call it the 100. You're going to call it a warm-up. Lower down to your mat and let's see what happens. So firing up the abdominals immediately. Emily, go ahead and bring your knees into your chest. Give them a hug. And this is going to be different for everyone. So whatever level you land at will be great. You're just going to build from there. Go ahead and curl up in whatever crunch you've got. So curl up, and that might be high for some people or not so high for other people. The base of your shoulder blades stays on the mat. I'm going to ask you to reach your arms long and low above your mat, but by your sides. Your fingers are long and flat like mittens. And shoot your legs out to wherever they land closest to a 45-degree angle to the body. If it's all the way up here and that's all you can stand, that's fine. If you can take it a little lower and keep your abdominals in like crazy, that's what we're after. Take a breath here. And then on the exhale, go ahead, bend everything in, put your head down, get ready because the next time you come up, you're going to do the full exercise, okay? Let's call it 50 pumps, and then when we do the full routine, you'll do 100. So curl yourself up, reach your arms long, reach your legs out, nail your abdominals in like someone's standing on them, and start to pump the arms. Breathing in for 5 pumps, breathing out for 5 pumps. Keep going. Inhale, nice and rhythmical, and exhale. And just as though I were there, pumping your arms up and down, breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. See if you can lift a little higher, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5. One more set like this, really squeezing the legs. Exhale, 2, 3, stop where you are. Reach everything. The final moment of each exercise is very important. Bend your knees, hug them in, put your head down, take a breath. Okay, that's your 100. It's part of the beginning of the routine. We're going to backtrack now and take you back to day 1 where we begin standing up. We'll do our standing footwork, and then we'll come down to the mat for 100 and finish off with push-ups. So come on up. How's the body? Good?
So far.
Okay. Heels together, heels just hip width apart. Take your genie arms. Standing up tall and straight, remembering to lead with your hips going back, very much like a squat. Let's squat down. Standing footwork. And the second principle in Pilates is called concentration. You may have heard of this. Press all the way back with your heels. Stand on up. So we started with control. We move on to concentration. Hip your hips back. Bend your knees. Sit low, lower, lowest. Beautiful. Come on up. And repeat 4 more times. Lower down. What are we concentrating on? Keeping our legs aligned, keeping our hips back, keeping the chest up, keeping everything coordinated, breathing all the way. There's nothing we leave unexplored, unpracticed. Everything is predetermined in your workout. Drop down. 2, 3. So no accidental movements. That makes everything safe. Ah, beautiful. Let's take one more. Make it your deepest. And this should always be true. The last rep of every set you do in exercise should be your best one. Come all the way up. Beautiful. Let's lie down for 100. So walk on forward, and you can just lower yourself to the mat with a minimum of effort. In Pilates, we like to save all of our effort for the actual exercise rather than fuss around with transitions. So curling up right away, not wasting much time at all, reaching the arms long, stretching the legs out to your lowest point. The lowest point you can control here. So go ahead and do it wrong for a second, Emily. Let the stomach just puff out. Don't want that. That's a bad idea. Lift the legs, press the stomach in, stretch everything taut and strong, and start to pump. I'm going to count for 10 sets. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. Exhale. I should hear you breathing. Inhale. This is your 3rd set. Exhale. Really squeeze and reach the arms. Inhale. Exhale. Keep it going. Breathe in through the nose. Breathe out through the mouth. That's halfway. Inhale. Exhale. Really reach the legs. Breathe in and out. There's your 70. Breathe in. Breathe out. Really dig down into the belly. Inhale and exhale. Final set is your biggest. In, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4. Stop right there. Show off your awesome form. Bend your knees, hug them in, and put your head down. Take a breath. Beautiful. The last exercise in this little mini routine we're building are your push-ups. So roll yourself up. come to standing. You can back up on the mat. And let's do exactly what we did earlier. Stand at the back edge so you have quite enough room. Round yourself down. Take your little warm-up stretch, walk your way out. And really, if you only have time to do these 2 or 3 exercises in the day, this is a great routine. You don't need more than that. But you will get stronger practicing each of these exercises every day until the routine is solidly built. Remembering control and concentration as our principles. Squeeze your seat. Take 3 tricep push-ups, down and up. Your prep is very important. Holding your beginner position or the starting position is key to the success of the movement. Stay there, lift your hips, walk your hands back, grab your ankles. Take a moment. That can happen. That's normal. And go again. Walk on out. Allow yourself the room to make mistakes. You shouldn't be perfect your first day or it wouldn't be a practice. Take 3 push-ups. Elbows into the sides. Elbows into the sides. Final one. Into the sides. Lift the hips. Walk on back. Find your ankles. Don't fall down. Give yourself a stretch. Beautiful. And walk your way up to standing. Good. So a little control. Lots of concentration to keep stable on those 2 feet. 3 great exercises and more to come soon. So come back for the next lesson where we continue to layer in exercises and build your program. I'll see you next time.